everybody, it's Emma from Plaid, and today, in honor of National Puzzle Day, I'm going to be showing you how to use one of our really cool products, Mod Podge Puzzle Saver. We have this gorgeous blue puzzle right here, which we're really excited about because blue is Pantone's color of the year. So just like you would use any other Mod Podge product, you are going to apply the Mod Podge to your brush and give it a really even coat. You want to apply it over all the different puzzle pieces, and you want to make sure that it gets in the cracks, and we want to cover our whole puzzle here. You're going to want to do this on some wax paper or some non-stick cling wrap. You're going to give it about 20 minutes to dry, and then you're going to flip the puzzle over once it's completely dry and repeat the process onto the back side. Wait till that is completely dry, and then you have a really gorgeous home decor piece. To buy this product and for more project inspiration, you can go to plaidonline.com. Thanks for watching.